Hello, greetings and welcome. Situational Leadership, Silver Dewdrop 3. And today we talk about positive thinking in leadership. Now we hear all this thing about positive thinking, but what is it? What is positive thinking? Is it just to ignore what's not going right, or is it to avoid problems, or to think we know the answer and treat it with judgment? What is it? Well, positive thinking begins with actually being thankful for the job that you have as a state of mind. As a leader, it's an honor service to be serving people. Then positive follows right through, because when you're positive inside yourself, remember I said true leadership begins with the way the person leads themselves. And if you lead yourself with a thankfulness and a positive state about your life and the fact that you have such an important job, then radiate that, talk it, sing it, dance it, whatever you need to do with others so that they can get contagious with that emotional virus called positivism. Why emotional virus? Because those are viruses. Just like we pick up cold and cough, we pick up positivism, we pick up happiness, we keep up jubilation, we keep up seriousness, we keep up everything. And these things make a big difference as a leader, because if you create a positive workspace around you and really an aura around you of positivism, you will find the strangest thing. You will find that positivism is one of the best financial strategies for a leader, because people want to give you their best back. That's what they relate to. This sounds kind of, Yes, it's not just a it's a